to the channel. Thank you for joining me. If you are here with me today, that means that you are planning a trip to Thailand, or you know someone who is planning to go to Thailand in the near future. So what we are going to cover today is how to complete the TDAC form step by step, so that you know everything that you need to do and how to complete the form, and just kind of walk you through the process. Don't worry, it's not complicated at all, and it's definitely not a visa. It's just a short digital form that has taken the place or replaced the old paper form to make the process a lot easier, streamline the process, and move people along faster. The goal is that this will help you arrive at the airport stress-free and fully prepared. I myself went through this process and it only takes a few minutes, but there are some small details that can trip you up, mainly like, just making sure you have your flight information or knowing the county where you are staying. So just having the information for your accommodations, and that's going to be really important. So I'll point out the most common mistakes and how to avoid them. And by the end of this video, you should know exactly how to access the website, complete the form, and save your information for immigration. So let's get ready and grab your flight information, your passport, and go to the website, which is TDAC, TD as in dog, A as in apple, C, .immigration.go.th. Okay, let's get started.
If you have plans to travel to Thailand, you must now complete the Thailand Digital Arrival Card, also known as the TDAC application. This application can only be completed within 72 hours prior to your trip. You won't be able to do it earlier. Let's go through the process together. Enter your family name, also known as last name, first name, and middle name. Only use your middle name if it appears on your passport. If it's not on your passport, leave it blank. Everything must match your passport exactly, or you could be denied entry. Select your nationality or citizenship. For Americans, enter USA. Enter your date of birth by the year, month, and day. Fill in your occupation if you are retired or self-employed. Just enter that information. Choose your gender, then enter your country and state of residence. If you miss a required field, the system will notify you. Next, enter your telephone number. Now enter your date of arrival in the country where you boarded. For purposes of travel, note that vacation isn't an option. If you're visiting for tourism, select Other. Next, choose your mode of travel. In my example, I selected air. Then choose commercial flight. You'll also need to enter your flight number. You will need to provide this information for both arrival and departure. Now fill in your accommodations details. This part can be a little confusing. Your province and your city, for example. If you don't have this handy, you can look it up on ChatGPT. Next, enter your zip code. Now it's time to complete the health declaration. If you have traveled to another country in the last 14 days, list it here. It is important. When you're done, select Continue to review your information. You will then see the terms and conditions, agree to them, and enter your email address. Make sure it's one you check regularly because your approval document will be sent there. Finally, submit your form. You should receive your documents and fill it out.
Okay, everyone, that's it. You are all set now. Once you've submitted your Thailand Digital Arrival Card, you will get a confirmation page or QR code. Make sure that you either take a photo of this, or actually I recommend that you not do either or, but you do both. So make sure you take a photo of your confirmation page, so screenshot, and also print it out so you have it in your bag just in case you cannot access your internet upon arrival. You will need to show it when you arrive in Thailand, okay? So make sure that you have it readily available. Now, here's something really important to know. If you leave Thailand, okay, and you go on a trip somewhere close by within your 30 days of your TDAC card, okay, so Vietnam, Malaysia, wherever, okay, you will need to complete a new TDAC form before returning to Thailand. You can fill out the form online ahead of time or use the computers available at the airport. I actually learned this the hard way. On one of my trips, we left Thailand and returned. We were coming back from Malaysia. I was still within my 30-day stay period. So I thought I didn't need to fill out the form again. But when I got back, I waited in line. The line was really short. They had actually just opened a new line and I was directed to the new line. So really I was in line for maybe like all of 5 minutes, thank goodness. And then once I arrived at the window, the officer told me I needed to complete a new TDAC form. So I had to step out of line, go over to the computers, complete the form, which I had to wait for the computers to become available because there were several people who were waiting as well. And then it took me another 20-25 minutes to complete the form, get all my information, and I had to re-enter the line, which by this time it had tripled in length. So I was in line for about 45-50 minutes or so. So the whole process took me like an hour and a half, which really should have only taken me like 10 minutes. So trust me, it's worth going to the computers and completing your TDAC form ahead of time so there's no confusion, no complications, and the process is easy and smooth, and it will save you a lot of time and a lot of stress. If this video helped you, please take a second and give me a like. I would appreciate that. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and share it to anyone who you feel that this information will be helpful and beneficial. And if you have already gone through the TDAC process, drop a comment below and share your experience so you can help other travelers too, if you don't mind. Maybe I may use your story as an example in another video. So yeah, before you go, check out our other videos on housing. We have some housing tours, condo tours. We're shopping at the mall, eating street food, just really enjoying ourselves in Thailand. And we would appreciate it if you gave us a like, and please provide a comment if you have questions or suggestions. We're open to all of your questions, your comments, and your suggestions. And we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Safe travels, and I'll see you next time.